Hey everyone! Welcome back to Happy Art for Kids. Today we're coloring a powerful and beautiful wolf. We'll be using art markers to bring this majestic animal to life. Let's get started. Look at how amazing our wolf turned out. I hope you had fun coloring with me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what animal you'd like to color next.